Hi everyone, it's Eddie from MSI. What we've got here is the latest GS Stealth series. The GS Stealth series sits at the top of the list in our thin and light gaming laptops, and with a good reason. It's well known for its insane amount of performance in a portable form factor, all packed within a metallic durable chassis. GS76 Stealth series comes with up to Intel's 11th gen Core i9 processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 graphics, which is outfitted with DLSS AI rendering technology. It enables gamers to play at a stunning 4K resolution, supports ray tracing, and boosts most games over 60 FPS for the most realistic gaming experience. GS Stealth series establishes its dominance by mounting its core with Intel's latest processor up to 8-core CPU. It inherits the sleek, metallic design from its predecessors without compromising on performance and still providing smooth gaming experience with up to blazing fast 360Hz display. We'll be going through different features of the laptop, including the design, I/O ports, GPU discrete mode and OC option, display options, matrix display, true color, IR cam setting, MSI app player, and Killer Double Shot Pro, things to do after you boot up your computer for the first time, and how to optimize battery charging. Without further ado, let's get started. Let's start with the aesthetics. We opt for an all black look, ditching the gold essence of the lid, vent, and touchpad. The sound blasted core black look is my personal favorite. It has a wider appeal and it blends in well in professional setting. This sharpened core black premium design of GS76 Stealth has won awards such as the IF Design Award and Red Dot winner in 2020. GS76 Stealth also won an award in CES on the gaming category. Its ultra slim design offers multiple connectivity options and is equipped with a full-size SD card reader for faster video and photo transfer. It also features the latest Thunderbolt 4 technology, so you can charge your mobile devices 3 times faster. One of the most praised features this model has is its I/O port availabilities. Along the right, you have a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port with display, SD card reader slot, HDMI port which supports 8K 60Hz, and a Thunderbolt 4. Unlike other USB Type-C interfaces, the Thunderbolt 4 supports up to 100-watt PD charging. You're able to charge your laptop through it when you don't have a power brick, or plug a power bank in and act as an extra battery. Along the left, you have an audio combo jack which supports high-res audio, a pair of USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-A, killer E3100G Ethernet LAN port, and a DC in port. First thing you should do is to plug in the adapter when you got your brand new laptop. Make sure that system has enough power to deliver full performance. When you boot up your computer, you should let the Windows, NVIDIA graphics driver, and MSI exclusive utility software to update first and configure all the basic settings. Then you should register the GS76 Stealth with your invoice in the MSI Center and claim the warranty of the product. A strong dedicated graphics is what makes this laptop impressive. GS76 can be configured up to NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 graphics, which is the top graded GPU in the RTX 30 series. However, this ultra slim powerful machine isn't enough for MSI to reach its ambitious goal to provide the best in the market. The Optimus graphics design focuses on enhancing longer lasting battery life. However, its core design impacts on signal latency, which is what gamers care the most. With the exclusive Discrete Graphics mode introduced by MSI, you can now fully unleash the graphics power and it will provide you the highest possible performance. You can easily switch these modes by clicking the option in MSI Center, and the signal transmission will change directly from the discrete GPU back to the original setting after the system reboots. MSI also provides an OC option to advanced gamers. You can find it in the gear icon on Extreme Performance under User Scenario tab within the MSI Center. We'll suggest you to also turn on the Cooler Boost mode when overclocking. Despite offering several fabulous panel options, GS Stealth series is also equipped with a feature called Matrix Display, where you can connect up to 3 external monitors. You can plug 3 monitor cables into 3 different places, including an HDMI port, USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C with display, and a Thunderbolt 4. That means you're able to have 4 screens performing 4 different tasks. The best thing about Thunderbolt 4 is that you are not limited to any interface as long as you have a Type-C converter. Even though GS76 Stealth is able to connect 3 external displays, The importance of the panel itself is not neglected. With the True Color technology, it guarantees that each panel manufactured by MSI comes with the finest precision in color. All you need to do is press the install button within the MSI Center's feature set. The preset modes provides 5 types of optimization. You can adjust whichever fits you best during various usage. One of the best things about this model is that despite its ultra slim size, it still comes with an IR webcam. This is a big plus, since many gaming laptops devoid biometric security. You can set your laptop with a facial recognition. It's another safe and convenient way to log into your system or even run services such as FIDO2 web authentication. To turn on Windows Hello, go to the Start menu, Settings, Accounts, Sign In option, select the Windows Hello method that you want, and then click Setup. If you don't see Windows Hello in the sign-in options, then it may not be available on your device. Exclusive MSI App Player allows you to play your favorite mobile games on the laptop's big screen. The new console mode now fully supports the controller from the start of the application. With this MSI exclusive feature, you won't need to switch between keyboard, mouse, and a controller. All you have to do is connect the gamepad, then follow the instructions. A lot of popular mainstream competitive games are online based. Having a strong internet connection will affect your gaming experience. This model is built with the latest killer E3100G LAN and Wi-Fi 6E technology, introducing wireless connection speed like never before. Supporting 6 GHz bandwidth, MSI has taken wireless gaming to the next level with a speed closer to perfection. With these 2 chips mounted, you'll be able to use Killer Double Shot Pro and Killer Extend. You can find these functions in the Killer Intelligence Center UI, which the icon is located in the system tray. Before you start using these functions, you need to have both Wi-Fi and LAN cable connected. With Killer Double Shot Pro, you are able to redirect or adjust the internet connection through the Ethernet LAN or Wi-Fi, or even having both running at the same time. If you couldn't be bothered to do it manually, it can also help you allocate the internet connection automatically. The software will calculate your bandwidth usage and create the most suitable combination in order to provide the best gaming experience. Killer Extend can make GS Stealth your Wi-Fi extender or hotspot, sharing the internet connection to other devices. This is really handy reaching out to corners where Wi-Fi signal is really weak or unstable. The GS76 is an iconic top-tier gaming model amongst the MSI gaming product line, providing the cutting-edge innovation among each field with incredible portability and power. It brings on-the-go gaming to a whole new level. Having a lot of unique features, GS Stealth series will be an ideal portable gaming and working partner for everyone. Hope you enjoyed the video and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next episode.